Inviting someone to a chat on Instagram is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to invite someone to a chat, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home page of your Instagram after launching your app. You're going to go to the message sign at the middle of the bottom navigation on your application. Once you click on it, you can see messages here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the pen and pad icon at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, this is where you're going to invite anybody to chat with, and it says to. From here, you can search anybody, whether in your contact list or not, and you can add them to the chat. Now, once you add them to the chat and you send them a message, you're gonna get an invite that will invite them to have a conversation with you. Now that's how to invite someone to chat on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.